In our group, we apply low-temperature microwave treatment in order to deplete Willow biomass of fine dust precursors. This can help in upgrading biomass for clean combustion and thereby increase the biomass fuel potential of a country.
The microwaves allow uneven and fast biomass heating because they excite the water molecules in the whole reactor volume. Water is an intermediate microwave absorbing solvent, and in order to reach higher reaction temperatures, catalyzers like organic acids have to be added.
After drying, use a cutting mill to cut the willow wood chips. Place the wood chips in a centrifugal mill and grind to a particle size of 0.12 millimeters. Transfer 500 milligrams of the ground raw material in a 50 milliliter PTFE reaction vessel with a spatula. Add 10 milliliters of demineralized water. Screw down the reaction vessel cap so that the pressure valve in the cap is on the same level as the cap brim. Select a microwave oven with 850 watts and a magnetron frequency of 2455 MHz. Put 12 reaction vessels with raw materials in the microwave oven and close the oven. Set up a temperature program for 150, 170, or 185 degrees Celsius. Start the microwave oven with new raw materials for each single program. After the program is completed, remove the reaction vessels to allow them to cool and reactivate. Then transfer them under a fume cupboard and slowly unscrew the lid to release the pressure inside.